Hey guys, let me introduce Mr. Avijit Nemo, who got 204 rank this year, and he will share his experience and he will share his success story, like the journey, success journey, such that 2022 aspirants will be benefited from it. Avijit, can you tell something about you?
Yes, sir. Hi, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me. And my name is, hi guys, my name is Avijit Nemo, and I am from Kolkata. I have completed my BTech in electrical engineering from Kuch Bihar Government Engineering College, West Bengal, in 2020. And after that, now I am currently doing my MTech in Power and Energy Systems from National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, Surathkal. And in
Great.
this year, my gate rank is 204 and my marks is 71.33.
That's great. When did you take the course of ours? And basically, guys, he is our paid student. And when did you take the course and how it's useful to you?
Yes, sir. I have taken the course in the month of January when the course was just launched by you. And then I have started to follow that course, the videos and all. And one thing I want to share in this point that the aspirants must know that the importance of core subjects in electrical engineering, like machines, power systems, power electronics, these. And the most important thing here is in your course, I have found that the core part was nicely described and I felt very confident about it. So that helped my preparation a lot.
Because normally also I used to say, right, heart of electrical engineering, we have to prepare.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, if you just prepare networks, control signals, digital and all, some guys may get qualified in the gate exam, but they cannot be toppers.
Yes,
and
sir, yes, sir.
how you used to prepare? Tell me.
And sir, about preparation part, sir, I mean, initially I used to watch a lot of videos. I mean, lot of in the sense 1.5 hour and 2 hour is sufficient for me. And then gradually as time passes, I have increased to practice. I mean, I have increased the number of questions to practice for practicing. And then after that, I have increased my revision and all. So yeah, I have been able to complete the syllabus, majority of the syllabus in August and September. And after that, I have added new topics quite slowly with the revision of the previous ones. So it took up to December.
Okay. So main things you prepared at starting only, and you was able to complete by August itself. After that, gradually,
Yes.
subtopics you added to the core.
Yes.
That's really great. And about online test series, like because nowadays people are not taking online test series seriously. So how you managed online test series, revision, practice, and all?
So online test series itself was quite good. I mean, thoroughly engineered, structured questions was there. Many more concepts was there inside the questions, and I didn't focus much about my marks in the online test series. Like what marks I am getting, I didn't focus there. I focused only on the, I mean, the hidden concepts between the questions. If I have missed those concepts while studying. So I have prepared a notebook for that. For those questions, I have prepared a notebook, and then I followed. I didn't get bothered about what marks I'm getting.
Yeah, normally I used to say, right, online test series, people are scared of the marks. That's why many people are not attempting. But the thing here is, at starting online test series, just to to know your weaker areas, one should take online test series and all, right?
Yes.
And daily, how many hours you used to prepare? Dedicated
Sir,
days, kind of
it
on an
was not
average.
like not an continuous kind of stuff. Some days I have prepared for 10, 12 hours. Some days maybe 2, 3 hours. So on an average, I can say that 8, 9 hours was there.
Okay.
18 hours per day on an average. And with that, at the end, my MTech pressure was also there. So
Yeah,
it was
MTech
reduced.
exams, yeah, would happen by January, December, right? December.
Yes, sir. January 15 to 23rd, it happened.
Oh, so much crucial time.
Yes, sir. Much crucial time.
Any advice to your juniors? aspirants of GATE 2022?
The advice in the sense, sir, you have to follow your heart first of all, and you have to be self-determined and disciplined, and then you have to make a plan of yourself. Whatever the GATE exam will give us, maybe it's a failure, maybe it's an opportunity, you have to be prepared for that, and you have to show your full creativity in the exam hall, and that will do. I think that confidence will matter most.
Yeah, along with the confidence, guys should enter into the examination hall.
Yeah.
That's great. And hearty congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
What are your plans with this rank? What do you want to do?
I think I will wait for PSUs, and I will join. I mean, I will apply for IITs also. Okay. Let's see what happens.
That's great. That's great. And in IIT selection or in any specialization selection, anyway, our team will help you for sure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very all the best, buddy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.